Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. But before I begin, I just want to give you guys a quick reminder, and that is that I have officially launched the Crypto ZX Telegram group chat. What I would like for each and every one of you guys to do is pause the video for 2 seconds, hit the link in the description box below, and come and join the Crypto ZX community. Come say hello, and let's talk crypto and just have a good time and grow this community day by day. So come join and say hello. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.83 trillion. We're up 5.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see markets slowly go back into that green zone, but still, guys, all eyes are on Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin is still on the shaky end, and we need to get to a certain level where we will be confident that the bottom is in and we are headed towards back to the all-time highs. But right now all eyes are on Bitcoin, and we will jump into Bitcoin's charts just shortly after we do cover Bittorrent. So today I want to look at none other than Bittorrent. So if we're looking at Bittorrent's price right now, Bittorrent is currently trading at 0.0045 cents. It's up 6.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 5.8% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. BTT's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 51 spot. Market cap right now is $3 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $1.1 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, BTT is still up 1,584%, despite the fact we are seeing, a massive pullback in the entire market. This is not just for BTT, guys. You have to keep in mind this is happening with the entire market. And despite that fact, BitTorrent in a year time frame is still up 1,584%. So people that got in, last year, they're still sitting at massive profits. And these kind of corrections do occur in crypto markets, and we always have to be prepared for that, as I mentioned. So let's deep dive into the charts and see where BTT is going in the immediate short term. So looking at BTT's price right now, you know what? Let's bring out the Fibonacci retracement level right off the bat today, so we will get a better picture as to what's going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So if we're bringing out the Fibonacci retracement level, as you guys can see, what's going on is we initially dipped all the way down to 0.00255, and that was when the initial price pullback for Bitcoin happened. And again, guys, I know this is really hard for you guys to hear, and I may sound like a broken record at this point, but I always say, Bitcoin is the king, it's the leading indicator, and it controls the markets. And when it goes down and when it has a significant pullback, all the altcoins will bleed even harder, and that's exactly what happened. And if we are bringing out the measuring tool, though, we could see since that wick all the way down, we are up 69%. So anyone who picked up some BTT around this level is doing very, very nice right now. But these kind of wicks, guys, do not stay for a very long time. They stay for a couple of seconds and get bought back up very quickly. So these wicks do not really count unless you get really, really lucky and you had a buying order placed way before and you got lucky. But like I said, these wicks do not occur for a very long time. It's for a very short time period. But right now, BTT is sitting right on this level of support, which I have been saying is a crucial level of support for Bitcoin, and that is at that 0.0042 cents level. And like I mentioned earlier in this video, right now it all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does decide to fall even further, we could go below this level of support and head towards the downside. And I believe 0.0003 would be the next level of support for Bittorrent. I personally will be picking up a more Bittorrent around there. I believe the market, the overall bull market is not over yet. And this is just part of the China FUD and along with Elon FUD that happened between the markets, which really did take the markets down, and whales really did manipulate the markets. And I believe bull run is far from over, and I will be picking a sum up, BTT around here, because I believe it is undervalued considering what BTT is doing and how it's backed by Justin Sun, guys. That gets me the most bullish. Being backed by Justin Sun and being built on Tron. You know what? Before we jump further into Bittorrent, let's get into Bitcoin's price and see where Bitcoin is going, so we can get a better picture as to see what is coming, in the short and immediate term for Bittorrent and along with the entire crypto market. So if we're looking at Bitcoin's price, Bitcoin is doing something very interesting right now. We initially wicked all the way down to $29,000, which is the next level of support from this $36,000 level. I was hoping for Bitcoin to hold around these levels, but we did not manage to hold, and it wicked all the way down to 8,000, something like that. Let's see. But since then, guys, yeah, so 29,000, basically 30,000. So since then, guys, Bitcoin has went up quite a bit. It's up 30% since that wick down. So markets have recovered very far since this pullback. But right now, guys, Bitcoin is still on the shaky end, because right now we are seeing the correlation between altcoins and Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is going up, markets are recovering very, very fast. But when Bitcoin goes down, markets are going down with it, which we always have to expect for that to happen. But right now, Bitcoin is trying to head towards this 43,335 level. I would personally like, if you guys watched my VeChain video and Cardano video earlier today, I said I personally would like Bitcoin to get back above this zone if it can, or even above this $46,700 level, and just trade sideways around there, guys. I don't care if Bitcoin trades sideways for a month or two, but that would be very healthy. We just want Bitcoin to find a spot where it could stabilize and trade sideways before we see the entire market recover. But right now, it is not 100% sure, because Bitcoin is very, very volatile. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down. So we need for it to find a range and trade sideways around there. And what I personally would like for Bitcoin to do is get above this $43,000 level and hold that spot, and trade sideways. Right now it is not confirmed. I still believe this could possibly be a fake out, and we could possibly go below 30k again. Like I said, the next 24 hours to 48 hours will give us a better idea as to what is going on. But as of now, there's definitely a potential for Bitcoin to even fall back to $30,000 or below. That is not out of the books, but I don't want that to happen, nor does anyone else want to happen. But we have to be prepared for these kind of moves to occur. This could be whale manipulation occurring at its finest. But like I said, what I would like Bitcoin to do is get above this $43,200 level and trade sideways. And I don't care if it takes a month or two. Take your time, Bitcoin. Just trade sideways, and we will see a massive recovery in altcoins when that happens, when Bitcoin stabilizes. So like I said, all eyes are on Bitcoin. But going on BTT, guys, same thing. Obviously, if Bitcoin decides to go back down to $30,000 level, we could see these prices once again. And I personally will be picking some more up if that happened. Even at this price, I would be picking up more Bitcoin, because I personally believe this coin does have an upside potential, considering it's linked with Tron. It's built on Tron, and Tron ecosystem is growing day by day. Regardless of this pullback or not, the sophisticated investors know exactly what's going on, and they are accumulating quietly. when there is fear in the markets, they are being greedy. And that is a smart thing to do. And always invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own due diligence, and always do your own due diligence when investing in these markets. I cannot stress this enough. But we are seeing whales accumulating, while there is massive fear around the markets. And I personally would like to pick more BTT up, because I personally believe this coin is undervalued right now, and it's at a very discounted price for myself. Considering, like I said, Tron ecosystem is growing day by day, and Justin Sun is backing these projects up. The guy has so many connections in the crypto space, and when it comes time to delivering, guys, there is no one better than Justin Sun. He delivers whenever he has to deliver. He can create hype, and at the end of the day, hype does play a major factor in cryptocurrencies. And BTT, talking about hype, BTT does have a lot of hype. There's a lot of people that are part of the BTT's community. So don't overlook that. And like I said, as soon as we see Bitcoin, the king of the market, decide to find a stable zone and trade sideways, we will see some massive moves from altcoins, and you will see exactly what happens. So with Bittorrent, what I would personally like for Bittorrent to do is, as long as Bitcoin gradually moves up and does not have a shake off, I would like Bittorrent to get back into this range in that 61.8, guys. I would like for Bittorrent to be around this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement zone, which is at the 0.0064 cents, and just accumulate around there and gradually move up. And we might have some troubles going above this level of resistance, because before this was a level of support for us, but now this will be a level of resistance when we are on the upwards move, and we might get rejected around here. But right now, I would personally like for us to get back into that 61.8 and go from there. That is my next target. But like I said, if Bitcoin decides to say, what, goodbye, let me go have another shake off, and whales try to manipulate the markets, then yes, definitely we could have some further downwards move. And like I said, the next 24 hours to 48 hours will be able to tell what is about to happen in the markets. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section below, where you could see Bittorrent going at the end of this a month. I would love to know your thoughts down below, guys. Long term, I believe this bull run is not over. In a couple of months, I believe we will be looking at these prices and saying, I wish I picked some up around here. But at the end of the day, like I always say, always invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. And never get shaken out, guys. Never get shaken out during these price pullbacks. And also, guys, before I end this video, you guys know me, I always say, guys, if you are sitting in massive profits, take some profits off the table. You guys know, all my Crypto ZX supporters know, they can vouch for me on that. I always say take out some profits, and this is a perfect example right in front of us, because these type of moves do occur in the markets. And when these moves do occur, you could either get back in, buy it cheaper, or you could use that money for your personal use. I always say that, and I will always say that no matter what. I'm trying to help you guys out, because at the end of the day, we are here to make money. So taking profits is a very smart idea. But with that being said, guys, before I end, let's look at the BitTorrents. Google Trends are on their way towards the downside, but that's nothing to worry about. Obviously, when we do see the buying pressure kick in, we will organically move up, along with the markets. But before I end this video, another quick reminder, please go join the Telegram group. Come say hello. Let's talk crypto, build this community, and just have a great time. And just come and say hello. And with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Do not forget to smash the like button, guys, because this helps out my video get to wider audience, and it helps me my channel grow. And stay safe out there, guys. Safety is the most important thing. Health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And with that being said, guys, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.